Dear all, today in the English grammar class, we will look at direct and indirect speech. There are two ways of reporting the words spoken by a person. We can reproduce the words exactly spoken, or we can express in our own words the substance of what he said. The first of these methods is called direct speech, and the second is called indirect speech. The exact words of speaker which are put within inverted commas are called the reported speech. And the verb that introduces the reported speech is called reporting verb. As in the given example here, said is the reporting verb and I am sick now is the reported speech. So the following points should be observed about these two modes of narration. The direct speech is always enclosed within the inverted commas and is always begin with the capital letter, and it is separated from the reporting verb by a comma. But in the indirect speech, no inverted commas are used and no comma is used to separate the reporting verb from the reported speech. Now, while changing this sentence from direct to indirect speech, the certain changes are made, and these changes are conjunction that is used before indirect speech, pronoun I is changed to he, and the verb am is changed to was. Now let's see some rules to transform a sentence from direct to indirect speech. First of all, we'll have to identify the changes that take place when we change a sentence from direct to indirect, and these changes are change of reporting verb, replacement of commas and inverted commas with that or if, change in pronoun, change of tenses, and of course change in adverbials. So first of all, we will look at how to change the reporting verb of direct speech. If sentence of reported speech is assertive, then reporting verb will change to tell, told, or said. And in reporting a question in indirect speech, the reporting verb is changed into asked, inquired, or demanded. In reporting an imperative sentence, the reporting verb say or tell is changed into a verb expressing a command, advice, or request. And when the content of an exclamatory sentence are reported, then the reporting verb say or tell is changed into exclaimed, cry out, wish, pray, etc. In case of interrogative sentences, if sentence starts with helping verb or auxiliary verb, then to remove the comma or inverted comma, we'll have to put conjunction if or whether to join the clauses. And in case sentence starts from WH question, then no if or whether is used. In assertive and exclamatory sentences, indirect speech is usually introduced by the conjunction that. And if, now let's understand these with some examples. Here, in these two sentences, reported speech is assertive. So we changed reporting verb into tells or told, and to remove the comma we use there that. But in this case, reported speech is question. In the first example, starting with helping verb, and in the second, starting with WH question. So to remove the commas, in first case we used if, and in the second case we used why. Similarly, just for exclamatory sentences, commas and inverted commas are removed with that, and then in imperative sentences, commas are replaced by to. Okay, now this is all for today. In the second part, we will learn how we will change the pronouns and adverbs.